Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to see a new poem that is 2.4. Please listen. First, about this poem. This poem means a little young boy is trying to say something to his parents. Parents means family members. Means here that the young boy means like your age. His mind is full with imaginations and different types of ideas, and he wants to share his ideas, his imaginations, and nothing but only he wants something support, mentally supports from parents or family members. But instead of these family members, they always said that here that your ideas are foolish ideas and you don't think like these. In this way, that young boys, that the world of imagination totally crushed. And how's that? Just we will see in this poem. Please listen. First, we are going to see that warming up of this poem, that means chit chat. For the chit chat, they have asked here four questions. What makes you laugh? Means here that everybody is different types of there. Definitely, generally, we say that here when we read or listen jokes, that time we laugh. Then second is here, what makes you angry? It's so simple that when something happens against our mind, that time everybody becomes angry. Definitely. Then next is that yes, what makes you sad? That sad means here unhappy. Means when something happens that is against our mind and which is not possible us to change the circumstances or situation, that time we become always sad. Then what makes you happy? The same is answer that when it becomes as we that planned, that time we becomes always happy. Even something that as if we becomes, that means when we become happy, that time what here the situation was very helpful to us, that time we becomes happy. This is warming up. Let's start the poem here. I'm also that I'm reading. You have also read the poem first. Here, see that here I am reading. You have also that here open your book on page number 51. See that, listening that. First, listen. Please listen. When I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not done what I asked. When I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. When I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something to solve my problem, you have failed me, strange as that may seem. Listen. All I ask is that you listen. Don't talk or do. Just hear me. Advice is cheap, 20 cents will get. You both dear Abby and Billy Graham in the same newspaper. And I can do for myself. I am not helpless. Maybe discouraged and faltering, but not helpless. When you do something for me that I can need to do for myself, You contribute to my fear and inadequacy. But when you accept as a simple fact that I feel what I feel, no matter how irrational, then I can stop trying to convince you and get about this business of understanding what's behind this irrational feeling. And when that's clear, the answers are obvious, and I don't need advice. Irrational feelings make sense when we understand what's behind them. Perhaps that's why prayer works sometimes for some people, because God is mute and He doesn't give advice or try to fix things. God just listens and lets you work it out for yourself. So please listen and just hear me. And if you want to talk, wait a minute for your turn, and I will listen to you, and I will listen to you. The author of this poem is unknown, means who has written this poem. It is not explained, means it is not possible to know it, so it is unknown. So let's start first the poem. Please listen. When I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not done what I asked. Means here in this picture also you can see a young boy is trying to say something to his parents, but instead of, means what, that the boy's mind is full with ideas and new imaginations, but instead of listening these boys, the that whatever he want, that his imagination, that you always makes him foolish, means his parents makes him foolish. And what says that here, you are foolish and stop your, and what that the parents started to give advices to the boy. But the boy said that, here only listen to me. But no, parents are not in mood to listen his child, their child. And that what here they are telling, that here you have not done what I ask. And whatever they are telling, that here this what, that here this is not possible, that here, I mean this is what, it is useless. First do what I have told you. First do that, and then your imagination, then your ideas. In this way, by making his ideas foolish, that they said that get out from here and do first this. When I ask you to listen to me and you began to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. When I was, that means when the little child is telling that here in this poem, when, oh parents, when I was trying to say something to you, but instead of listening my ideas and imagination, that you said that my ideas are foolish, useless. Means whatever I was feeling, my imaginations, all those are that what have no any weightage, all those are useless. That is because of you. And instead of that, you were trying to fix something in my mind. Means my mind, my imagination, my ideas have no value in front of you. Actually that what here, that my world means that the child is telling, my world means you, that your parents, mother and father and family members. So that I came here only for support, but instead of getting support, I got a lot of advices and suggestions. And before these suggestions and advices, my ideas, my imagination totally that mingled in the soil. So that the child is again telling next that what see, when I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something to solve my problem, you have failed me, strange as that may seem. The child is telling here again, when I came to you with my ideas, but before listening my ideas and imagination, you did not understand my feelings and you are thinking about, you thought about that what here? That as I came to you, mean this is a new problem. Means what? You have to solve my problem. In this way, you always thought that I means it is a big problem. So that what that means you have to solve my problem. You have to give lot of time to me. Means in this way, this is what here that I became a problem from parents. But actually this is not. Only listen me. The child is telling to his parents, only listen. Listen first me and try to understand my feelings. But you said that what? That my ideas are very strange and that all those are useless. And I have problem. Problem means I have what here? I am failed in something and you have to solve my problem. In this way, always you think about me. So that please you listen to me. At last the child became tired of this behavior of his parents towards him. So that he said that here he also became very much angry. The child also became very angry, and at last he said, listen, with making big noise. He said, oh, listen, listen, all I ask is that you listen. Oh, my parents, listen me. What is I want to tell you that please listen me. Don't talk or do, just hear me. No, don't speak with me anything, but only listen me. Here, the poet has used here two words, listen and hear. Listen means that deliberately we carefully listen by paying attention, that we listen, that is listen. And hear means by chance we hear. Now here also that we hear many noise, many sound in surrounding us also, that we listen many sound means we hear by chance. We hear many sounds in the market also. If we go there, then we hear many sounds. But by paying attention to that particular sound, that means listen carefully. But here the child is telling, listen to me, means pay attention to me, and that don't give me your advices.